In the vast expanse of the universe, two stars pirouetted in an intricate dance that had lasted eons. They were binary stars, bound by the gravity of their mutual existence, and though their paths were predictable to the keen eye of astrophysicists, their story was anything but ordinary. The first of these luminous bodies was named Solara, a radiant star with an ethereal golden glow that stretched light years into the void. Her companion Umbra was her opposite in every sense, a star of cooler hues, exuding a calming blue light that contrasted her fiery brilliance. Together, they were a spectacle to behold, their gravitational interplay creating waves of light and energy that fascinated anyone fortunate enough to witness them. Solara and Umbra were not mere objects of physics. They were ancient beings of consciousness, custodians of the star system they called home. Their orbits had taken them around each other countless times, but their understanding of their own existence deepened with every revolution. Through this celestial ballet, they observed the planets that orbited them, teeming with possibilities of life and wonder. On one of these planets, the inhabitants, an intelligent species known as the Serians, looked up to their binary stars with reverence and awe. The Serians believed Solara and Umbra to be divine entities, their contrasting lights representing harmony and balance. They built temples and created art, celebrating the interplay of light and shadow that shaped their lives. Unbeknownst to the Serians, Solara and Umbra were indeed aware of their worshippers. They watched as civilizations rose and fell, marveling at the ingenuity and resilience of the creatures who thrived under their light. Their interest grew into affection, and they began to communicate through subtle cosmic phenomena, solar flares, and magnetic waves that the Serians interpreted as divine messages. But such a dance could not remain unchallenged. In the depths of space, a rogue celestial object, an ancient black hole, began its inexorable approach toward their system. Its gravitational pull threatened to disrupt not only the delicate balance between Solara and Umbra, but also the existence of the planets and life forms that depended on them. Solara was the first to sense the disturbance, her fiery nature urging her to confront the encroaching menace. Umbra, ever the calmer of the two, urged caution and deliberation. They debated endlessly, their orbits growing erratic as they struggled to find a solution. Meanwhile, the Serians, sensing the growing instability of their stars, turned to desperate measures to appease what they believed to be their god's wrath. The black hole's approach marked the beginning of a test that would define Solara and Umbra's legacy. The binary stars pooled their energies, creating gravitational waves that rippled across the cosmos. The effort strained them, their luminous forms dimming under the immense pressure. They called upon their vast knowledge of the universe, their consciousnesses merging in an unprecedented act of unity. Through their combined efforts, they devised a plan to harness the energy of their dance, creating a slingshot effect to redirect the black hole's trajectory. The execution required perfect timing and trust. Umbra would pull Solara closer, using her mass and gravity to amplify their combined strength, while Solara would unleash a solar flare of unmatched intensity to propel the black hole away. As the moment of truth approached, the Serians witnessed the brightest display of celestial light their skies had ever seen. They watched as the binary stars grew closer, their lights merging into a radiant explosion that sent shockwaves through the cosmos. The black hole, caught in the force of their unity, veered off its course, disappearing into the void from whence it came. The effort left Solara and Umbra weakened but triumphant. Their dance resumed, though with a newfound harmony born of shared struggle and sacrifice. The Serians, too, found inspiration in the event, their faith transforming into a deeper understanding of balance and resilience. But this was not the end of their story. The cosmic event had left subtle, but profound changes in the binary system. Solara and Umbra began to notice that their light carried new properties. They discovered they could influence the development of life on the planets orbiting them in more deliberate ways, seeding them with the potential for greater intelligence and harmony. The Serians were the first to feel the impact of these changes. Their understanding of the universe expanded rapidly as they uncovered truths about their stars and the cosmos. They developed advanced technologies that allowed them to explore their own solar system, spreading their influence across the neighboring planets. Their reverence for Solara and Umbra grew into a partnership. They saw themselves as stewards of the light and shadow, tasked with carrying the lessons of balance and unity to the farthest reaches of the cosmos. Meanwhile, Solara and Umbra's connection deepened. They began to perceive the intricate threads of the universe's fabric, realizing their dance was part of a grander cosmic symphony. They saw other binary systems and celestial beings, each playing its role in maintaining the balance of existence. They reached out, communicating across the vast void of space, sharing their knowledge and learning from others. In time, their story became a legend not just among the Serians, but across galaxies. Travelers and explorers spoke of the binary stars, whose unity had redirected a black hole and inspired a civilization. Their light became a beacon for those seeking harmony in the chaotic expanse of the universe. As eons passed, the dance of Solara and Umbra continued, their story growing richer with each revolution. They had become more than stars. They were symbols of what could be achieved when opposing forces worked together, a testament to the enduring power of collaboration. And though their light might one day fade, their legacy would shine forever in the hearts and minds of all who looked up and saw the dance of binary stars.